Let's quickly go through complexities of these approaches. First, for recursion, here first think how many cuts we can make on a rod of length n. Starting from 0, we can make up to n minus 1 cuts in the rod, right? So if we sum up overall possibilities starting from k equals to 0 to k equals to n minus 1 number of cuts, we will get 2 to the power n minus 1. So the time complexity is exponential here. And space complexity will be constant if you just count auxiliary space taken by algorithm. Otherwise, there will be n recursive calls on the stack frame at a time. So in that context, complexity will be On. Now for top-down approach, we are making recursive calls for each length for every possibility to make a cut. So the complexity will be On square, as it won't have any duplicate recursive calls as we had in recursion. Space complexity will be On because we are using an array for memoization. Similarly, with bottom-up approach, we are going through each possible choice of cut for every length, right? So that's why time complexity will be On square. And we are having one-dimensional array of size n to store the profits for each length. So space complexity will be order of n.